Adidas has kind of, in my opinion, has kind of fizzled out on the sneaker tip as far as the skateboard sneakers goes. Etnies has been dropping some heat. Some guys have been dropping heat here and there. Lakai has really been dropping some heat here and there, but Nike SB has been consistently dropping heat, man. Give you guys a quick look at the new Nike SB Zoom High Dunks, man, with that nice vintage retro New York Knicks colorway, man. Love how they just dropped that white inside, that white inside with that orange outer stitching, man, with that nice purplish, bluish Nike check, man. The blue shoestrings. Love that white midsole along with that purple, tipped off with that purple bottom, man. This is just a dope fly shoe, man. You can wear it downtown, you can skate in it, wherever you want to do with it, man. But this is a dope shoe, man. And big shout out once again to Nike SB for just keeping that fire coming our way. With that being said, man, I think these are retailing right around $1, $10-ish, $20-ish. But pick it up. Peace.